Hello, chilltube here. Short intro just to know what to expect from this video. It's for the people who wants to start meditation, and this is actually the first very first steps you're gonna make in meditation. I try to explain it step by step. Uh, Unfortunately, I couldn't finish video as I planned because my computer is crashing and I couldn't finish color grading. I had some clips to cut more to do some more editing, but I unfortunately couldn't do it. Anyway, so go to the point to watch the video. Comment your thoughts, your experience. Try it. It lasts like 15-20 minutes, depends how much you want. It's the first thing when you wake up in the morning. Leave a comment down below. If you like the video, of course, hit that like button. Subscribe for the channel. Ciao, chillers.
If you are often dissatisfied, scared, or stressed and it exhausts you, this can help you. You have probably been sitting on the beach looking at the sea in front of you, relaxed, not thinking about anything in particular, watching what is happening around you. This state of conscious presence, free from thoughts and emotions, is called meditation. Why is it useful to meditate? When you are emotional, you use less of your mental potential than usual. Every emotion limits you to think in accordance with it and reduces your ability to reason. If your emotions are very intense, such as when you are angry or panicking, you can completely lose control of your behavior. The scientific claim that people use only 10% of their mental abilities is not because we are not smart enough to do better, but because we are too attached to our emotions. If you want to teach your mind to use its full potential in every situation, then start meditating. It has been scientifically proven that meditation improves the work of the heart, lowers high blood pressure, strengthens immunity, but also the secretion of serotonin, happiness hormone, which affects us to feel satisfied and positive. What exactly do you do when you meditate? To get rid of your emotions, you need to relax mentally. Find a place where no one will disturb you for a while and take a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, as you see fit. What you are actually trying to do is to consciously bring your mind into its alpha state, sleep state. If you happen to fall asleep while meditating, don't worry. It's perfectly normal. In this way, your mind is free from emotions and thoughts, unlike the usual waking state. One way to calm your mind is to close your eyes and imagine in front of you a large number 3. That is slowly decreasing until you can no longer see it. This should then be repeated with the number 2, and then 1 in the same way. That way you will consciously have control over your thoughts. What problems can you have while meditating? The idea of sitting comfortably and calming your mind so that it stops bombarding you with various thoughts is simple when it is talked about, but it is a completely different situation when it should be done. If you are a dynamic person who has a lot of responsibilities, then you know how fast your thoughts appear and how helpless you are in all this. So be patient. It takes time and perseverance to change something. Don't make yourself to empty your thoughts. Think it's frustrating and it won't help you. What will help you is to listen to some music that relaxes you. My recommendation is my channel chilltube. For example, it will be much easier to calm your mind if meditation is a fully conscious process that you begin. When you calm your mind, imagine that you are in a place that you love and where you feel relaxed and safe. This can be a place on the edge of universe, for example. The effect is exactly the same. Feel free to be imaginative and play. This is very important because you will love to meditate. It will be fun, which is the best way to motivate yourself to enjoy and continue doing it. Meditations can be used for any dimension of your life. Maybe in the beginning it would be good to avoid work-related situations or those that are too stressful for you. because there is a possibility that your thoughts will drag you deeper into thinking and meditation will not be very useful. Many famous people meditate every day. For example, Oprah Winfrey. Morning meditation. Set the clock 15 minutes earlier than you should get up. When you hear the bell, turn off the clock and stay in bed. Your mind is more in an alpha state than awake, so it will be easier for you to calm it down. Imagine going down the stairs. Look at your feet and count from 10 to 1, slowly and in the same rhythm, going down step by step. Breathe slowly and evenly. When you count to 1, imagine yourself diving in a sea full of wonderful, blue sea world. Try to feel the water around you. Watch all those interesting creatures that swim around you completely calm, not paying attention to your presence. Go to the surface to catch air, then dive again. Be curious. Explore the place where you are. Create situations in which you will be awakened calmly and you feel complete relaxed and the impression that everything around you is exactly the way you want it to be. When this feeling completely fills you, stay in it for a few moments. Tell yourself that you will now count from 3 to 1. And when you say 1, open your eyes wide and you will feel calm and satisfied, ready to start the day just as you imagined. I wish you a wonderful, relaxed, and successful day. If you like this kind of content, please leave comment down below and subscribe for more lessons like this in future. Your ChillTube.